Transform your Jeep Gladiator JT into the ultimate rugged machine with racer high-top body accessories from Air Design USA. The racer high-top rear and front fender flares daytime running lights for added safety and a sleek appearance. Also improves suspension travel for a smoother ride, integrated with our original mud flaps, and enhance your vision range, giving you a better view of the road ahead. Installing the Racer Height top inner fender liners is a breeze with our no-drill installation process. Air Design door moldings help protect your Jeep against dents and scratches, ensuring it looks great no matter where your adventures take you. Air Design tailgate applique gives a much tougher look to your Jeep's rear end, making a bold statement wherever you go. Add a perfect fit and finish with the Air Design tailgate spoiler, made using co-extruded ABS polymers for a durable, aerodynamic, and unmatched fit to your Jeep. Elevate your Gladiator's roof with the Air Design streamlined cab spoiler, giving it a sporty look that's sure to turn heads. Top it all off with the Air Design Hood Scoop Power Dome, adding a powerful and aggressive look to your Jeep Gladiator JT. And don't forget the Air Design Performance Hexagon front grille, torture-tested and adapted to the front camera. Visit airdesignUSA.com to explore our full range of accessories and start customizing your Jeep Gladiator JT today.